Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on CrushOn AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOn AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now at the bottom of your screen, you're gonna see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages and your profile. Go to your profile, then go to Settings from the top right corner. Now there you're gonna see options like Language, Auto Translate, Account Settings, Manage Account, My Blogs, Subscription Plan, then finally Tasks and Bonuses. Tap on Tasks and Bonuses. There under Special Tasks, you can see Invite Friends and tap on the code right below Invite Friends. Then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. From there, you can simply share it from other social media app or copy the link and share it from other apps. And guys, that's it. That's how you invite friends on CrushOn AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.